Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So this is day 11 of my challenge to put up videos every day through November in support of grassroots football. For those that don't know, I am going to put up videos every day through November, and whatever I earn through November will go to grassroots football. There'll be one team, couple of teams. What I have how much I earn, I'll do what I can with it, where I can buy some kits, pay some league fees, whatever with it. Okay, so I don't want to take too long on this. So it's very windy today. You're probably going to hear me say that a lot over the next couple of months because it's very windy. So I am above the cranes, so I'm going to have a good look around. So I'll get to the part everyone wants to see first, and that's going to be the truss. I don't know how good the light's going to be, so we'll just see what we can see with it. So staying above the cranes, outside the grounds as Everton wants. Yeah, I say it's windy because if you think I'm being too cautious, then that's the reason why. So here's the first part of the truss, but that's being lifted. Okay, so getting any closer. So I'm quite far away from the ground at the moment. Although, as I always say, it does look though a lot closer. I'm really not. No, let's get a bit lower. I'll be back on Sunday to have a better look anyway. Hopefully, yeah, I should be back on Sunday. Yeah, my boys have got early kick-offs. Early-ish, yeah. So there we go. A little look at that truss at night, because you're not allowed to fly in the day. So I'm gonna go all around and look at that. Be nice to fly over it and get a good top-down view of it, but I don't want to ruin it for everyone else. Get this side of it and have a look across at it. I'm still leaving a comment. I'm getting tons and tons of comments, so do keep the comments coming. But for now, I'm going to leave them because it's been tough so far trying to do this challenge. Believe it or not, you know, I've got work and uni and stuff, and it's yeah. So trying to get out to do the videos has been hard because I'm only used to doing like 2 or 3 a week. I've done 11 on the bounce at the moment, so I'm going to try and keep it up as best I can. So this east stand is looking really well, and when I get round to the west stand, I'll because you can see the west stand over the wall here. You see when I'm that's where I park in Blackstone Street, isn't it? Yeah, I park in Blackstone Street. So when I park the car and I'm walking towards the wall, you can see that these stand really popping up. I'll bring it down, do my sweep along as I normally do. Let's just make sure I'm over the dock. Okay, bring it down. I don't want to blow into the dock. Then we'll have a little pan across this. I normally go a bit lower, don't I, and have a look down there, but I want to have a good look at this. Excuse me. More's gone up here, you see. look at that. So bring it a bit lower. And we'll have a look at that along there. We do every week, so let's have a look, make sure I'm safe still. Well above, not in my way, so I'll take it a little bit higher now. Still at the top, just a little bit closer so I can have a look at these corners, that's all. So I've been a bit quiet today. I'm concentrating on this and just making sure I can see the flashing of my drone in the air. Make sure everything is fine on the screen. So I've got to have eyes everywhere at the moment. So I'm a little bit quiet. That's why I'm just concentrating. Because obviously if there's any obstacle avoidance, it'll flash up on my screen. If the wind's too high, if the ambient light's too low, certain sensors won't work on the drone, so just got to keep an eye on it, and if any of that fails I'll bring it straight back down, you see. So I'm just going to keep an eye on everything that's on the screen and also looking at the drone in the air. One question I will ask someone, because I do a few of these at night, don't I? Let's get back above the cranes. Someone said, is it not dangerous flying at night? Believe it or not, it's easier to fly at night because your drone lights up like a Christmas tree at night. All the lights are flashing. They're flashing in the day, but you can't really see them against the sky when it's up in the air. So you're looking for a bit of a black dot, if you know what I mean. So at night is a lot easier to see the drone, so therefore a lot easier to fly it. Okay, so let's bring it round here. Yeah, we're getting high wind warnings, so that's a complete 360 of the ground done. I'm not going to keep it in the air much longer, but we'll have a little look at the flam plaza. It'll fall apart when it was made of flam. The fan plaza. You can't see much on here. Bring up the exposure's not making much of a difference today. But yeah, it doesn't seem as though much is going on down there. It's all happening inside of it. Okay, so there's a good look at it. I say this stand here. So there's a little clip I've done on my phone that I'll put up now of how much you can see it coming over the wall now as you walk up to the ground. It's really creeping over the wall now. So I'm over where I'm almost parked, so bring it down, let people have a look at what it's like from here. It looks really impressive, doesn't it? It looks great. It looks great lit up. There it is above my head. So I'll start bringing it down and let you have a look at the thing, and then I'll end it there. So if you like the video and you want to support grassroots football for this month, please consider subscribing. I think I'm 13 subscribers off 4,000 subscribers then. So 13 subscribers off. Sorry, I was just looking at the end of it. Yeah, if you want to support me, please subscribe. Watch the videos for this month. I've said in other videos, if you don't like it after that, go subscribe. Yeah, I'll leave there, and yeah, make sure everything's alright still. I'll leave there. I'll speak to you all soon on the next one, which will be tomorrow. I'm not sure what I'm going to do tomorrow. I've got kids football, I've got work, got lots of work, got work in the morning, got work at night, so I'm going to try and squeeze a video in somewhere along the line. Okay, so thanks for watching, speak to you all soon.